So, I mean, Nikita, how you rate this exam? This is a very tough exam, mediocre exam, or easy exam? आपको क्या चला? I mean, you passed this exam?
If anyone is trying to be taking for the CAPS coaching, so I'll just suggest that he or she should take coaching.
Yes.
Otherwise, without coaching, it is really not possible to crack this exam.
So, हमारा we are here to help you to pass the exam. We are not going to teach you again pharmacy. You already a pharmacist and pharmacy degree already किया हुआ है.
So I'll just say कि इतना टफ एग्जाम नहीं है. अगर पढ़ोगे, हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो you'll crack it. And coaching जरूर लो. Otherwise, without coaching, you can't.
So, hello everyone, welcome to Academically. And today with us, Nikita. She just passed CAPS exam. She's from Punjab. She basically did B.Pharm from Government College from Himachal and PharmD from ISF Moga from Punjab. So we will see her कैसे उन्होंने पास किया, कितने घंटे ये पढ़ते थे, क्या ऐसे चीज थी तो आपने यूजफुल हो सकती है if you want to write this exam in future, want to become a pharmacist in Australia. So first of all, congratulations, Nikita. You passed this exam your first attempt, CAPS exam.
Thank you so much, sir. It was just your guidance and support.
Thank you so much. Welcome. So, Nikita, if you can just give us your brief introduction to the audience, your education area you are from, if you have some experience, whatever you want to say.
My name is Nikita Kera and I'm from Punjab. I did my B.Pharm as sir explained the detailed introduction about me, so I don't think that I need to explain it. But the experience in academically was very good. I studied and I'm a working. I just completed my family in July latest, and most of the friends have completed this CAPS exam and cleared. And one of my friend is already staying in Australia, so I was motivated through them, and also I was motivated through you academically and all the things. So I just work and study along. So it would take around me to study 5 to 6 hours a day, not more than
Okay.
that.
So, how many months you study, Nikita? I mean, कितने महीने आपने preparation किया?
So
मतलब
around 6.
मतलब आई नो तो बहुत बहुत टाइम लगता है बट कि हार्डली मैंने बहुत ही डेडिकेटली इतने घंटे और इतने दिन के मैंने पढ़ाई किया वो बताइए आप.
Sir, actually मैंने ना जुलाई में देना था एग्जाम, but my skill
हाँ.
assessment was very late, so I just studied
डिले हो
from
गया. ओके.
February. Yes, sir.
ओके. ओके.
So I just
ओके.
studied from February.
ओके. तो 5-6 घंटे डेली पढ़ाई करते थे आप.
Yes, sir. At evening only after my work hours end.
ओके. तो ये जो क्लास थी आप लाइव अटेंड करते थे या रिकॉर्डेड
No,
सेक्शंस
sir.
क्या क्या
Recorded
था आपका?
lectures. Sir,
रिकॉर्डेड.
only recorded lectures because at live I was not having time as I'm a work human. So
हाँ.
that's why.
ओके. ओके. एंड निकिता आई मीन क्या जो हम नोट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं या जो मॉक जो अटेंड किया आपने तो उसमें उसमें कैसा आपको असिस्ट किया इन योर जर्नी क्या आपका एक्सपीरियंस
So
था.
this was very good. This helped me so much. Like most of the paper was within this only. But now
ओके.
everyone has told me before that paper two is very tough and paper one is easy. So in
हम्म.
my session, the paper one was very tough and paper two was easy. And the calculations part was mostly from the mocks only.
ओके.
And some
ओके.
of the calculations were exactly same as in mocks. But paper one was very tough. No direct questions, just indirect questions. I was very confused regarding that. But it helped me with the concepts that as academically lively recorded lectures helped me a lot, and my concepts were clear throughout lectures. So it was very good.
ओके. तो आई मीन निकिता हाउ यू रेट दिस एग्जाम. दिस इज वेरी टफ एग्जाम, मीडियोकर एग्जाम और इजी एग्जाम. आपको क्या चला? आई मीन यू पास दिस एग्जाम
Sir,
बिकॉज बहुत
as
सारे लोगों को
according
मेनी पीपल आर नॉट टेकिंग द डिसीजन को लगता है बहुत टफ एग्जाम होता है हम पास नहीं कर पाएंगे हमारा पैसा बर्बाद हो जाएगा तो आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस है.
Sir, as according to my session, the exam was with me. The paper one was very tough, but still I helped with the academically notes and lectures and all the mocks. So my concepts were clear. But if I say that to someone without from any coaching center does this paper, it will be very tough for him to crack. So I just suggest that if anyone is trying to be taking for the CAPS coaching, so I just suggest that he or she should take coaching.
Yes.
Otherwise, without coaching, it is really not possible to crack this exam.
This is very right. लिखते थे कि ना कि you need mentor in your life, if you want to crack any exam, It is not
Yes,
just a gap because आप फार्मेसी का सिलेबस 4 साल जो आपने पढ़ाई किया या आपने फार्म डी किया है 5-6 ईयर आपने जो स्टडी किया है वो सारा आप 3-4 महीने में आप नहीं पढ़ सकते। इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू यू। 5 ईयर का जो सिलेबस है, आप 3 महीने में कैसे आप पढ़ पाएंगे, राइट? तो यही है कि हम लोग तो जो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर की बेस पे जो हमने बनाया पिछले 15 साल से ना, जो क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, फिर उसमें हमारा सिलेबस बनाया हुआ है। तो हमारा, वी आर हियर टू हेल्प यू टू पास द एग्जाम। वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू अगेन फार्मेसी, यू ऑलरेडी है फार्मासिस्ट, हमने फार्मेसी ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है। तो हमारे काम है आपको एग्जाम को पास करना है। दिस इज 3 months इज मोर देन एनफ, यू नो। Nikita also
Yes,
saying
sir.
the similar thing. तो
Yes,
Nikita,
sir.
at the end what you want to say कि जो लोग हमको देख रहे हैं, to motivate them to write this exam because many of them are बहुत टफ एग्जाम है, हमको नहीं देना चाहिए, उस तक लोग बोलते हैं।
सर आई विल जस्ट से कि इतना टफ एग्जाम नहीं है, अगर पढ़ोगे हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो यू विल क्रैक इट। एंड कोचिंग जरूर लो, अदरवाइज विदाउट कोचिंग यू कांट, because my experience was same. Without coaching, if I had done, I would have not be able to crack the exam. But it was
इसे
really dedication
निकिता
and
इज वेरी
study.
राइट। देखो, एग्जाम का भी अपना एक फीस है,
Yes,
सवा 1.5 लाख रुपए आप पे करेंगे। एंड इफ यू फेल अगेन यू री राइट ना, आपका टाइम भी जा रहा है, आपको पैसे भी जा रहा है। तो यू नीड
sir.
मेंटर इन योर लाइफ। कोचिंग से आप 3 महीने में आप पास कर सकते हो, इतना टफ एग्जाम नहीं है। और वैसे भी ये फार्मेसी में से ही आता है एग्जाम, तो यू नो। एंड थैंक यू
Yes,
सो मच
sir.
निकिता, एंड विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Otherwise, I would have never thought that I will be giving CAPS exam.
वेलकम वेलकम।